back at it again. Man, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump off into the video, man. Actually, we'll probably get started on this tomorrow. Man, this shit's crazy. Man, let's just get to it, man. This the thing, alright, cool. I ordered some lights off eBay. Some cheap ass lights. Real cheap. Alright, so here go the thing. When I ordered the lights, they didn't show up, like, they didn't show all the colors. Alright, so I went back, I thought something was wrong, went back and I ordered some more. Alright, here's the thing. Here's the big kahunka. Alright. They end up working, but I didn't want to cut the wires to them and all. It's a whole lot, man. So basically what we're finna do, we're finna swap out the old rock lights that I had on here. I had some on here. And we're finna switch over the truck a little bit, man. I'm finna put the wheel back on and all that good shit. Man, let's get it, man. Let's just jump into it. All right, so got one side pretty much done. I gotta put that rim back on the back. All right, we got my wheel light here, and we got the new rock lights installed. All right, so this the thing. I used the wire for the pre-existing rock lights, and I'm still using the pre-existing rock light box. But these just straight white rock lights. See, these are the original ones right here, the one that was in here. So, yeah. It don't, for some reason, man, it just don't show white. I don't know why. I'd rewired it in different configurations, and it's still, I had to put it straight directly to the battery, everything. So I don't know what it is, man. I contacted them. They was up there. Send a video. Send a video. I sent the damn video. The video too long. Oh, we don't support this. I'm like, what the point of sending the video then? So, same thing here, and also under here, I have them as well. Real lights actually came from eBay too. They want nothing but like 20, 30 bucks. Nothing but 20, 30 bucks. So we finna do all this real quick. Gonna change out these wheels, and I'm finna show y'all how. I just, like, this will help if you wanna just chain rock lights, tired of the old ones, and you don't wanna go back through all the wiring. This will help a little bit. So, just watch. Let's get it. Alright guys, so I done removed the light from there, and you're gonna have two sets of wires here. Alright, cool. It's a white, a black, a red, and a green. You get your other lights here that only have a red and a black, and it only shows one color, only one color. Alright, so the way you'll do this is you can do it in any kind of configuration you want. I mean, that's on you, dog. But me, what I do, I set me a color. Right now, my color is set at green. So the thing about it is, the hot wire is not red. The hot wire is not red on these like that. It kind of wired sort of like a house wire. The hot wire is black. But when it comes from the box up there, the box that goes to the battery, it is red and black. But when it comes to these wires, no, it's not. It's black. It's the black wire. The black wire is the main wire. Or sometimes, I'm just saying how this one's set up. Now, sometimes it'll go like this. Black will be ground, and then from that box, each individual wire, like red, green, white, they'll get a signal for them to turn on from the little box. Now, some of them are set like that. So basically what you do is I hook my red wire to this black wire, which is the hot wire in my case. And then I hook my black wire up to whatever color I want to have running, which will be grounded from the box up there. So just give me 1 second and I'll show you. I'm gonna lay this kind of down right here. So I don't know if y'all can see me that well. Let me flip it like this or something. I don't know. Let me ease it right here. I'm just gonna sit this motherfucker right here, okay? Let's see. So, all right, cool. Here Here's the old light here. Just cut it, whatever. Here's the new light. On 2 wires. Peel this back a little. I know my hand look like shit. Alright, so yeah. Red. We're gonna put red on black. We just doing this, test it out right now, and then I go on and I tie everything again, but just giving you a glimpse. And we're gonna put black on green. Now as y'all can see, my light came on. See that? Oh, hold up guys. It's a coming. You put black on green. This shit is bright, damn. So that's basically how I'm gonna do this whole truck. Front to back. I'm gonna go ahead and do it that way, and then what I do, because I'm actually putting 2 of them in the front, 2 of them in the rear. I went up to Harbor Freight and got me some connectors here, wire connectors, and I just got a whole box of them. I was about out, so I'm gonna go ahead and tie these in real quick and hook up the other light, then we'll be back. So just stick with me, y'all, stick with me. All right, guys, let me see here. I just got done with all this here. Everything is done now, so we're gonna see how it look. Y'all tell me how it look, man. It wasn't that bad. It just, I ain't got all my tools I normally have, so it takes a little while. Check it out. Alright guys, gonna be 100 with you. That's all I got for you today. Hey, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna get back on these videos, man. So all my loyal subscribers that still been down with me, dog, I fucks with you, man. Later on, man, not right now, but later, a little later on, probably about a month or 2, I'm gonna do me a little night giveaway for all my loyal subscribers. Cause man, I'm telling you, it's been something serious, dog. I've been trying to get used to this life up here. Cause you know I'm from the country, so I'm up here, city life, you know. I've been trying to figure stuff out. I'm back up this way in GA, so I'm trying to go ahead and link back up with some of my old people I know, man. So I talked to a couple of my partners. I probably end up taking the tire hole, putting it in GS3 over here. So, I mean, I'm going to run that for a while. But everything pretty much smooth, man. Can't even cap, man. I like it. So, y'all just stay tuned. A lot more on the way. A little bit with this truck. But the main thing will be that tire hole. We're going to jump on in there. We're going to strip it down. We're going to go ahead and rebuild that thing one more time. And we're going to hit up a couple shows and see what we can do. So let's get it. Y'all be easy.